Alright, so here's another video of the Arcoaire heat pump running. I've not recorded a video of this unit since September. So long. It's been long over for a revisit. So yeah, and I'm actually gonna film the thermal zone in this video as well. Let me get this leak out of there. This thing is really quiet. It's got a Gentech fan motor, I think. Yeah, I think that's Gentech. Somebody commented and said it's an air conditioner, but I checked when this unit is off. It is a heat pump, so. I think it's nice and cold and sweaty. Well, not sweaty, but it's nice and cold. This unit is from, I think 2019, the 9th week, 2019. Here we go, February of 2019. So yeah, and if you can see the reverser valve down in there. I don't know if you can, but yeah. Alright. So yeah, we're back at the thermal zone. Alright, here's the thermal zone. You can hear this one a lot better than the Arcoaire. This is running out a bigger heat load too. I got a video of this last year as well, a few times last year. Got a video of it in April as well as fan buddies. So yeah. There's the top. It's got a Copeland scroll compressor. (2013) 5-ton TZA. That central line look is just nice and cold and sweaty. I don't know how well you can see that Gentech fan motor in there. Yeah. But based on the way it looks, it's a Gentech fan motor. But yeah, it's kind of loud, to be honest. This is a straight cool unit. That thermal zone is a heat pump. But this unit is a straight cool unit. Alright. Well, I guess that's going to be about it for this one. So thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.